EAS.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Again?
southeastern Clinton County, northeastern Boone County, northwestern Hamilton County, southwestern Tipton County until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Lebanon, or 11 miles southeast of Frankfort, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheridan, Arcadia, Kirkland, and Kempton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Hamilton, and Tipton.